How to enable Find My Device on your Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to locate your Android phone when it's lost or stolen, enabling Find My Device is a must. So it only takes 1 minute. Let's walk through it step by step. First, make sure that you're signed into your Google account. For that, go to Settings, then go to Accounts to confirm that you have your account connected. So let me just go ahead and tap on Accounts. And you can find your Google services here. Make sure that you're connected to your Google account. Then you need to turn on your location services. Swipe down on your notification panel. Tap on this location icon to turn it on. And once you turn on your location services, you need to enable Find My Device. For that, go over to Settings and go to Security and Privacy. And from here, you should see an option for Find My Device. Once you're out of the security and privacy, you'll find this as something similar to Lost Device Protection or uh, Find My Device. Just tap on it. Make sure that this is turned on. So make sure Find My Mobile is turned on. Turn on all of these toggles and you should be good to go. And you also need to allow background access and permission. So make sure Find My Device is allowed to run in the background and has location permission set allowed all time. Then you must turn on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Your phone must be connected to the internet to show its live location. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.